Hey guys, what's going on? Bcraig here with Bcraigtrades. Sorry it's taking me so long to put another video out. I've been living life. Last month was my birthday. I was in the middle of a move also, so it kind of took up a lot of my time. I just wanted to chill, enjoy the profits and the time that trading allows me to have. But further, no more further. I just want to go ahead and get right into this trade. Now this morning off the open, I did create a watch list. Next video I'm gonna go over again. I do have an older video about how to create certain watch lists, but Amazon was I was real. I was watching that already. So during the trading day, I do use Tradytics and I do use Blackbox stocks also. So off the open, with Tradytics feature it has a feature where it actually calls out flow to you. So it's like a little robot female voice or whatever it might be, and she's constantly saying Amazon three 3,330 calls, expiration, blah, 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 whatever it might be. And I kept hearing a lot of Amazon flow, and I was like, okay, that's a lot of flow. Amazon really doesn't see too much flow. It's not like Apple or Tesla or Facebook, for example. So when I heard that, I was like, okay, let me go ahead and get into it. So as you can see, I had entered just about here. So it was definitely within the first 15 minutes of the day I had entered the trade. And as you can see, Amazon popped from what's this about 32.80 all the way to 33.20. So a pretty big pop there, and you can see we kind of got caught in the range all day. But to me, what this was showing, I stayed in. I was exiting some out. The skilling got the trade up here, but I did have a few more left here. I think I went in like with 4 contracts, and by here I only had 2 or so. Now I sold one right here, then the last one was towards the end of the day of the bell. But this little channel right here is maybe, it really solidifies to me that, there is definitely some support up here and it does have some strength because the market was really going down through the time. I mean, if you remember with SPY today, we kind of popped off the open and kind of sold off a bit and then again it bounced higher. So this is what SPY chart looks like here. You see, like I said, we popped off the open and then we kind of really just sold off there. And things kind of got really slow. And then we started to get back. We didn't get back to the highs we were at, but we might hit them tomorrow. Tomorrow's a Friday, and market likes to close higher on Fridays. But yeah, so it held itself up through there. So I was like, okay, and I was able to, get the channel figured out and see where it was trading. You can see it was kind of hitting this channel, kind of, and it's bouncing this thing went within there. And then towards the end of the day, it started to pick up a little bit. I didn't know it was gonna break through, but once it broke through on this candle, I knew that okay, a bigger breakout should be coming soon. Finally broke out with this candle, and it went to a high of 33.51 with a low of 32.80, high of 33.51. So pretty big move, about 68-point move today. Really good trade. The contracts were kind of expensive. I got them for about 370. My last one I had exited about 780 or so. And you know what? Last person that had last person I had somebody comment on my videos and were just like, well, you should show your trades, this and that. But I don't live to show YouTube all my trades. I do everything from my Discord channel. But just for that one guy who's complaining about that, let's go look at my orders. Okay. Here we are. I'm gonna drag it over. So, whoa, there it is. All right. So here you go. Here's my account, real account, market close. I'm taking a couple different trades today, but as you can see, my last Amazon I got in. So it's 659. $60 and $59 a contract, and my entry was 330 actually. So I got in some at 330 and bought another. So I was in for 3 contracts total. 330, 333, probably average about 370 or so, 360. And the last one I got was 659. And even then I didn't really nail the top on that one. But when it comes to scaling out of trades, it really protects me. If the stock does happen to move back down, I already have, I already locked in some profits. So I already locked in profits in this trade. So it's going back, once it was going back, going back up, I missed maybe another $100 or so, but a positive trade. I think we got like 70% on that trade. And that one was alerted out to Discord. So if you do want to join the Discord, the link is in the description. And I also will tag the link in the first comment of this video. But I send out daily morning watch list what I'm watching already, and I'm sitting there trading with the guys. I believe I traded this one with the Discord group too, not just the premium, but the main chat. I was kind of letting them know, hey, I'm looking at this. I also traded Microsoft today too. Microsoft is breaking out, performing really well. Here's Microsoft's chart today. You can see, just overall, it's a great chart. Look, hit a 258 in after hours. So and so momentum into the close. We'll see how pre-markets look tomorrow. Could continue to shoot higher. This is definitely gonna be one of my watch lists. Market likes to close higher on Friday, so we might be able to get some, some risky contracts, same day expiration contracts. But we might be able to flip some good contracts tomorrow on Microsoft. So I'm keeping Microsoft on watch. Definitely Amazon on watch. I'm gonna watch Spy also. I am long Spy right now. We finally got over that CPI data, so as you can see, we're able to break out. We couldn't really break past the 423 level. That was kind of at the high, and then you see like pre-markets once they release that news, and we just be able to jump to a high of 424. So I'm hoping that we'll see some continuation to tomorrow. Maybe they hit that high again, maybe break a little bit past it. But we'll see, guys. But that's about it what I have for you guys. I do have a whole bunch of more videos coming out. I'm trying to space them out and drop them all so close together. But I'm happy to be back. Happy to be back posting videos again. Thanks you guys for sticking with me. New subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel even when I didn't have that much content out there. I think my next video is going to be my trading and Tulum vlog. And then also probably the next day I'm going to release my 1-year review of Blackbox stocks. I've been with them for a year now. Still subscribed. So, that should tell you something right there. I am using two programs. I'm using Tradytics and Blackbox simultaneously together. Sometimes I like to just look at the charts, and Tradytics feature where I can just hear the flow coming in, all the big flow coming in. It kind of helps me out. A lot of times I'll just be trading, and once I hear repeated flow over and over, it's like, hey, maybe I should go ahead and check this name out. But that's about it, guys. Make sure you go ahead and like this video if it was helpful in any way. Subscribe to the channel. Like I said, the link to Discord is the first pinned comment, and I'll also put the link in the description. But thanks for watching, guys.